Drone video operation tutorial. Pre-flight preparation. Plug the battery into the corresponding socket of the charging cable and connect the other end to the power supply. When the battery is charging, the red light is steady on and the battery is fully charged. Connect the remote control to the corresponding socket of the charging cable and connect the other end to the power supply. When the remote control is charging, the red light is prompted from left to right, and the full light is extinguished. Insert SD card. Install battery. Remove the head protection cover. Deploy the drone arm. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the drone. Place the horizontal ground. The UAV head automatically calibrates. The arm lights flash slowly. Open the remote control. The front arm light blinks to slowly steady on, and the rear arm light blinks slowly. The frequency alignment is successful. Press the gyroscope calibration button, and the light of the arm flashes fast and then blinks slowly, indicating successful calibration. Press the geomagnetic calibration button, and the light of the forearms will turn slowly and flash to enter the geomagnetic correction mode. Pick up a drone. Rotate horizontally and dribble blue light slowly flashes to steady on for successful calibration. Vertical rotation. Drip a green light fast flash to slow flash for successful calibration. Place on the horizontal ground. The light is blue and the green light is blinking slowly. Place a wide, unshielded horizontal ground search GPS signal. If the arm light is steady on, the search is successful. GPS search for more than 8 stars to fly. Press the unlock motor button to unlock the motor and push the left rocker up to take off. Rise. Descend. Left rotation. Right rotation. Advance. Recoil. Left hand fly. Right hand fly. Boost default and low speed. Press the speed switch button to the left and drop twice to see gear medium speed. Push the speed switch button to the left and drip 3 times to S gear high speed. Press the power button to the right to turn the camera up. Press the power button to the left to turn the camera down. Press the photo button and the drone takes the photo. Press the video button. The drone starts recording. Press again. Stop recording. Press play to enter album mode. Press the play button to enter the album. Up and down buttons to select photos. Press the play button to watch. Press the back button to return to the previous interface. Press the up and down button to select the video album. Press the up and down button, select the video, and press play to play it. Press the back button to exit album. Preview mode. Press the one button return button. The drone automatically returns. Preparation for indoor flight. By pressing the GPS button, the drone switches to indoor mode, and the PGPS prompts to go to P-opt 1. The drone lights turn all on to turn on the indoor mode. Successfully, press the gyroscope calibration button, and the calibration is successful if it turns fast and steady on. Press the unlock button to unlock the motor, and push up the left rocker to fly. Indoor optical flow positioning, APP download and installation, and image transfer modes. Scan the corresponding QR code on the instructions and download and install the APPS search for drone signals via Wi-Fi. After Wi-Fi connection is successful, open the APP, open the phone stand and flip the phone on. Select the corresponding cable. Plug one end of the data cable into the corresponding phone jack. Connect the other end to the remote control. Data line screen transmission can be achieved. Data line screen transmission can be achieved. Blade replacement. Remove the old blade by unscrewing the screw with a screwdriver. Note the distinction between A and B blades. Install corresponding blades.